morning, guys. I am called Nation. Welcome to my estate. Here are the farms. Here we do agriculture. We just have fun while working. They have harvested, but next video I'm gonna try to harvest. Here are the farms. Here are everything. So if you guys follow me, the branches that they harvested. Yeah, the branches we have it on was last week, so it normally needs to stay like a 1 week and some days or 2 weeks maximum for it gets soft, so have to knock it.
Wow.
Hi guys, good morning. Yes, my estate. Yeah, life is not easy, but we have to hustle. There's everything. There's the farms. Yeah, these are the branches that we just harvested last week. Ask These are my buddies. They came to help me, but it's payable though. It's not job. It's payable. I'm gonna pay. As I say, we need to use money to work money. Yeah, these are the palms. These are the palms. These are the palm. Here are the palm. Here are the palms. Okay. 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 Guys, the bush is really dirty. You need to spray it to remove the wanted grass and other stuff. But I'm morning the taco. By the grace of God, we go spray them. As you see, and so now knock you when they knock so they knock the banga. Yeah, we use mostly axe, the traditional tool axe, and human labor. This bike could transport the north. So